Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the CryptoBlades token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you step by step everything that you need to do in order to purchase this token on your iPhones. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials showing you guys lots of things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in that stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content now and into the future. And anyhow, first thing that we need to do is we need to add the contract address for the CryptoBlades token to our Trust Wallet. So if we just go ahead into our Trust Wallet first off, you just want to make sure you have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet. I'll have tutorials linked for how to create your Trust Wallet and how to buy or transfer BNB if you do not know how to do that already. And I'll have those tutorials linked in the description and comment section down below. But once you guys have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet here, you guys can move along where the next step in this video is going to be, and it's going to be adding the contract address into Trust Wallet. So to do that, I'll have a link in the description and in the comment section down below for you guys to go over to CoinMarketCap, where we're going to be able to copy the contract address and paste it into our Trust Wallets. So if you just head over to that link I have in the description there, you'll see this page right here for CryptoBlades. All we have to do now is scroll down to where we see contracts and copy that contract address. Once we copy that contract address, we can go back into Trust Wallet. And we just want to go to the top right of our screens where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. Then just go ahead and add that contract address up in the top search. We'll then see the CryptoBlades skill token pop up here. So we just go ahead and add that in and then click on done. Once we have the token added to our Trust Wallets, we can head over to PancakeSwap, and I'll have a link in the description and comment section for that as well if you guys need it. So I'll just go ahead into my PancakeSwap. And then once you're on the PancakeSwap website, this is what it's going to look like, just the homepage. And what we want to do is we want to go to the 3 lines in the top left corner and click on that. And then just make sure you click on trade and then exchange. And then once we're in this exchange portion here, all you have to do is click on the connect wallet button at the top of the screen. So you just click on that. And then here we're actually going to click on wallet connect instead of Trust Wallet. And then on this option, we're going to click on Trust Wallet here. This is the way to do it for iPhone. So once you just click on Trust Wallet there, it'll open up in our Trust Wallet asking us to connect to PancakeSwap. So we'll just give it a second here to connect. And once the screen pops up here, we can click on connect and then head back over to our PancakeSwap. We'll know we're connected when we see that little wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB here. Now all we have to do is click on select a currency and paste that same contract address that we got from CoinMarketCap in here as well. And then we can go ahead and click on import, I understand, and then import. Now, once we have that done, we can go ahead and change our slippage tolerance. So we're just going to go to beside where it says exchange, where we see those 3 lines, and just click on that. Then here we can change our slippage tolerance. 0.5% should work for this token. So you can go ahead and put 0.5. You want to try using the smallest slippage tolerance you can, obviously, because so you don't lose as much tokens in the transaction. So you just want to try to use the smallest one you can. So we just use 0.5 for today's tutorial, and then back out of here. And now all we have to do is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the skill token. So let's just say, for example, we want to transfer 0.2 BNB. We can go ahead and do that. And then it will just show me right here the amount of skill token I'll get in exchange for my BNB. And if you're happy with what you see there, it'll just say insufficient BNB balance here. This is just because I don't have any BNB in my wallet currently. But if you have the correct BNB balance, you can go ahead and click on swap right here. And then we'll bring you to another page showing you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and withdrawal rates and things like that. Now, if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on purchase one more time or swap, and then it will tell you that your transaction is successful, and then we can head back into our Trust Wallets. And once we head back into our Trust Wallets here, your CryptoBlades token will appear here, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you how to get the CryptoBlades token inside of your Trust Wallet on your iPhones. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.